Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing hair video. I ordered some more hair. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Before you go any further in this video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and put your notifications button on. So when I upload a video, you would know I uploaded. I ordered some hair. It came through FedEx. It's open because I got it delivered to my sister's house. And she thought it was her package, but it wasn't. It was mine. So technically it's been sitting like this for like a week so I can make this video. So anyway, it came in a package like this. I ordered some hair from AliExpress. I ordered some hair from AliExpress from a company called, let me go back and refer to it really quickly. This is the Body Wave Bundles with a Closure. Is it EULLAIR? I don't know if I'm saying it right, but I'll put it notation in this video somewhere. It's called EULLAIR Remy Brazilian Human Hair. I got 20, 22, 24, and 18-inch closure. Okay, you guys know I have rocked hair longer than 24, but I don't really want to go longer than 24 anymore, you know. So anyway, this is my first time actually taking this out of the package. And it comes in a nice little bag that says EULLAIR, your human hair virgin hair. www.eullair.com. Now let me tell you something. I love this ALIEXPRESS hair that I got in my head, but their packaging could have been a little bit better. Could have been way better. It just came in a little pink like package. Yes, I feel special when I get bags like this. So yeah, I like this. Okay, so I'm gonna open it up. We're gonna pull it out. Oh. And let's see here. This is the 20-inch, and I did get Body Wave, and I did get black. So I'm gonna open up the 20-inch. Let's open it up. Ooh. Okay. Let's take it out the little nets. Oh. Okay, let's put this stuff on the floor. Ooh, so this is the 20-inch, people. Yes, for the curl at the bottom. It's really soft. Oh, I got a little shedding. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. 4 strands of hair. But that's okay. But I didn't get any the second time. I did get one strand the third time. Anyway, so it says 100% human hair, top quality human hair. Let's look at these wefts. They look pretty thick. They look nice and pretty thick. So this is the 20-inch, and I am going to make another wig. This is the 22-inch Body Wave. Let's run our hands through this one. And I'm getting a lot of shedding from this hair. Not bad shedding, but just a little bit. Not that time. Let's do one time. Okay. So the first time I got shedding, but this time I'm not getting shedding. Oh, I did that time. Just a little shedding. Just a little shedding. Not bad shedding. Not bad. Wait a minute. Look at the welts. Because, you know, sometimes you have to look at the welts because you don't want the hair to be coming through the welts because you definitely going to get some shedding. These look pretty decent. These welts look pretty decent. And let's look at the 24-inch. I think I like doing videos in my bathroom. Okay, this is the 24-inch, and we got 2 strands of shedding. It's shedding, but not a lot. I mean, you can expect a little shedding anyway. I mean, as long as it's not coming out in clumps. I'm not going to wash this hair. I am going to wash this hair because I'm going to dye this hair jet black because I don't like, what is this, 1B? I like number 1 jet black hair. So, oh, this is kind of dark though. So this is the 24-inch. I might dye it, I might not, I don't know. Just depending on how I feel when I make my wig. But that is all of the bundles. They're not really thick, but I don't really like really thick hair anyway. But it did get a little bit of shading, but the hair is extremely soft. It smells like hair. It doesn't smell like corn chips at all. I did get a middle part closure because I always wear my wigs in the middle. I think since I've been wearing wigs, I've never worn them like to the side. Okay, this is the closure. I'm not really sure the size of this, but I have it at the bottom. This is what it looks like here. Middle part. It looks really nice. I'm going to bleach the knots, of course. But overall, the closure looks really nice. And you guys know I don't do baby hairs. As you can see, I don't do baby hairs. I'm not into all that. I just want to plop a wig on my head and be cute, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, as far as in shedding, it's shedding. You guys can see. As you guys can see it, it's shedding. I've never had hair that shed like this. Okay, I don't know if I'm going to order from these company again. I mean, I'm definitely going to make the wig and I'm going to wear the hair because I bought it with my own money. But it's definitely shedding like a bitch. And that's not good at all. This is the first time I've ever got hair off AliExpress and it's shedding like this. I'm going to show you guys the hair in the sink in a second. So this is some of the hair that came out of the closure, I think. Anyway, my sink is full of hair. So yeah, this hair definitely sheds. But anyway, this is all the hair from EULLAIR. This is the bundles and this is the closure. I will come back and do a review on all of this hair soon. So please make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I'm loving this hair. Shop ALIEXPRESS. So far, they're bomb as far as in like the companies on ALIEXPRESS because I really love this hair and this hair doesn't shed. Like the closure shaded a little bit when I bleached my knots and whatnot or whatever, but I'm kind of mad about this fucking hair. Whatever. I'm still gonna make a wig. Also, I only paid $123 for this hair, so it was like hella cheap. So yeah, that's probably why it's shedding a little bit. But I've heard good reviews about this hair, so I decided to order it. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see. I'm gonna let you guys know. I'm gonna let you guys know. Yep. Cause I don't like all that damn shedding. Not one damn bit. It's alright though. I just seen these when I took the package off the floor. They sent me some lashes. Oh, I'm so ashy. Ooh, excuse that. But they sent me some lashes. I'm just gonna put these in my makeup kit because I like thick lashes. But I'm pretty sure I can put these on somebody that like lashes like this. So yeah, that was sweet for them to give me a gift in shedding hair. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will definitely keep you updated with this EULLAIR hair that's shedding all over my bathroom. I will talk to you guys in another video. And I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you later. Hey guys. What is that? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another video for you guys. I just did a review on this hair. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ebonee. If you are not subscribed, hey guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. So yeah, I hope.